what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a different type of video. I'm going to be making a low FODMAP and acid reflux friendly dessert recipe. I am making carrot cake protein bites. They are going to be full of prebiotic fiber, healthy fats, as well as vitamins and minerals. And they're going to be free of acid reflux triggers and also using low FODMAP ingredients. So if you have GERD or acid reflux or IBS, this may be a recipe that you can try at home. If you're new to my channel, by the way, my name is Molly Pelletier. I share lots of information on this channel about acid reflux and IBS, so be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on that. And as always, there's disclaimers on all my videos that this does not replace or intend to treat or provide any medical care. So I started cooking already. It's a pretty big mess. We're gonna grate some carrots and crush some nuts, and then I'll explain more about how to make the carrot cake bites. So to grate my carrots, I'm using a grater. You can also do this in a food processor. It'll be a lot easier to do in a food processor, but I'm so lazy about cleaning and I'd rather clean the grater than the food processor. So I'm just gonna do it by hand because I have the time, but also an option to do the whole recipe in the food processor. And it also might make it a little bit creamier, but we're gonna make do. For those of you that may not have a food processor, I also figured that I would use the grater. The dough is made and I just laid out a piece of parchment paper because parchment paper is literally a lifesaver in the kitchen. And this, I'm going to make little balls with a cookie scoop, roll them in some hemp hearts. I love hemp hearts. I love using seeds in general when I'm making low FODMAP recipes because lots of seeds are low FODMAP, including chia seeds and hemp seeds in small amounts are low FODMAP. So I'm going to be rolling the balls in that, and you can also roll them in coconut. You can add chocolate or white chocolate chips. You can add coconut sugar, really whatever you like. It's really a customizable recipe. And when I'm making acid reflux friendly recipes that are dessert based, I often do use white chocolate, and I look for other flavors that are sweet that may not be chocolate because, as we know, chocolate can be a trigger. So I'll often use white chocolate. I'll often use like a berry flavor, carrot, cinnamon, maple. Those things can be really useful if you're looking to make something delicious but also acid reflux friendly. best. I sprinkled them with a little bit more coconut sugar and salt just so you get that nice hit of flavor when you take a bite. But in hindsight, I think I would have used the food processor. I think it would have made a better texture, but this will work too if you don't have a food processor or if you're lazy like me and you don't want to use one. These came out good. You just have to mold them a little bit more with your hands than you probably would if you did a food processor. So good. When I initially thought about this recipe, I was worried that the carrot would be like very evident and sort of like chunky in a way, but that's not the case at all. It's very smooth. It honestly has a very similar texture to carrot cake. It's not super sweet, so if you want it sweeter, that's really important to know. I would add more maple syrup, or you could add coconut sugar into the recipe to make it a little bit sweeter. But it's great. It's like great protein, just a nice delicious dessert treat. Definitely will be making these again. I hope that you enjoyed this little recipe tutorial. If you did, be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know. Give this video a like. It really supports my channel, and I really appreciate hearing your comments and your input. So I share lots more delicious and healthy recipes on my Instagram at zucchini.who. If you don't already follow me, be sure to head on over to Instagram and follow at zucchini.who for more reflux-friendly recipes, low FODMAP recipes, and as well as IBS and acid reflux tips. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below and hit all so you get notified for all my future videos. I share an acid reflux video every week, as well as yoga classes, nutrition videos, and all types of wellness. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.